Formula 1. Sum formula in MS Excel. To learn 450 plus Excel formulas and functions plus expert tips and tricks, follow our YouTube and Facebook channels. Sum formula in Excel is used to add up a range of numbers. We're explaining 3 easy methods to calculate sums in Excel. Choose the one that works best for you. Method 1. Simple sum. Select the cell where you want the result. Type is equal to sum. Select the range you want to add up. Close brace and press enter. Method 2. Auto sum. Go to the Formula tab. Click Auto sum and select Sum from the drop-down. Press enter to get the result. Method 3. Shortcut. Select the cell below the data. Press Alt plus is equal to and press enter. Like and subscribe for more Excel tutorials and hit that notification bell. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.